Yo guys, I just got Bawi takeout and I'm gonna call Brock.
What's happening?
Brock, I just got the Bawi take-home kit. Come and cook it with me, man. Let's do it. Let's go. Okay, bye.
We got beef bulgogi, beef short ribs, and pork jowl.
Whenever you go to Bawi, you get, certain sides and stuff. We got rice, we got the corn, we got the pancakes.
I love the pancakes.
Dude, the pancakes are the bomb. Now, the take-home kit, you literally call and say, what meat do you want? And if you don't know, how to order it, they are super easy to work with.
Yeah, and you buy the meat by the pound. So you choose what meat you want, you buy it by the pound. Now, for all of the sides, for 2 people, it's $6.99, or for 4 people, it's $10.99. So you kind of piece it together.
We really love this pork jowl.
It's got a bacon flavor.
Yes. Now, what does this salad dressing taste like? What is it?
It's almost like a soy sauce.
Is it like a soy sauce vinaigrette? Dude, this salad is freaking legit.
It is.
If nobody's had these pancakes,
oh man,
describe what they are.
It's like a vegetable pancake, right? It's kind of, have you ever had potato cakes? Where you kind of take potatoes and you make them into pancakes? It's kind of what I think is going here, right? It's kind of got that same texture, but then it's got all your veggies and stuff in it. Some like it cold, but we prefer it warmed up on the skillet.
So the thing about Bawi, they're actually owned by the same people as Hanode.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't know that, and they're trying to cross-post things so people have more of awareness to that. But they've been doing a lot of cool things in the community. So Brock, kind of explain what they're doing.
Yeah, the biggest thing is feeding people, right? They have food, they have the resource, let's use it. Bawi alone's handed out 325 meals this past week.
325?
To the school districts in the area, to the Boys and Girls Club, the Discovery Center, 911 responders, all those things. They just want to reach people, feed them, right?
Yeah.
Food is a comfort, right? Let's make people feel comforted right now.
So when we went into Bawi to pick up our order, we talked to the owners, Cosmo. He's one of the owners, and then we also talked to one of the partners, Daniel, over at Bawi. But we really got to listen to Cosmo's heart. He said that he isn't taking a paycheck. All the owners aren't taking a paycheck. The general managers went down to minimum wage.
Wow.
Just so they could keep all of their employees that wanted to work.
Yeah, that's what he said. He said he's got 100% of his employees that want to work right now.
Oh.
That's incredible.
So the biggest thing that Cosmo wanted to say about his heart was he understands that the community and his servers and his employees, without that, he would have nothing. So what he's trying to do is take care of his employees. So he dropped all of his prices down 40% or 60% just to keep the doors open and to pay his employees. But also they raised it to 40% so they can take that extra money, that extra buffer, to pay for the meals for the community. So he's trying to take care of both because he understands without the both, he'd be nothing.
He's nothing, the restaurant's nothing.
Yes.
I think it's incredible. There's truly a heart there.
Kudos to you, Cosmo, you're amazing. So the coolest thing about this meat is you go and pick it up and it's already been marinated. You don't have to do any of the prep work. You just cut the bag open, put it on the grill, and it's good. It is super sweet. Oh my gosh.
Not as...
We're about to hit the Foodster favorite. So we have to choose our Foodster favorite of which meat. There's only 3, but you would think oh, okay, There's only 3 we can easily try.
But we picked the best 3.
We picked the best 3, and I keep eating these.
I know what I'm gonna pick. 1, 2, 3. Short
Beef
ribs.
bulgogi. I chose the beef bulgogi because I was thinking about the people that would watch this. I think that's the most safe that you can go.
I get that.
And that's why I chose it. Now, if I were gonna go, I would get the pork jowl.
Yeah, there's something about the marinade on the short rib that's just really getting me. Man, we cannot thank our premier sponsor enough, Arctic Food Equipment.
Yeah.
They supply equipment for all of these restaurants, but they also do home stuff. So today we cooked on a skillet. Arctic Food Equipment helps us out, man. So whether you need something for your home, simple, or you need something large for a business or anything like that, Arctic is your fam.
Yeah, they're amazing. And we love you guys. Have a good one.